All right, so we're gonna show how you can integrate Searchcraft, which should already be explained, but we're gonna do it without actually writing any lines of code. So part of our mission to be kind of accessible to all levels of developers, we thought, sure, like let's go ahead and build an application using just Claude desktop and writing no code. So I have a prompt, I'll walk through what the prompt does. Just go ahead, I'm in Claude desktop now, and I'm gonna make a little project here. And so what we have, the only thing we set up ahead of time, we have what's called an MCP server. We have that running on this computer, and then we have that connected to Claude. And I also have an instance of Searchcraft running, which you can download from Docker Hub or whatever, or you can just host it. So this prompt I wrote, I'll walk through what it does. It says, okay, pull this data file from my laptop, which has a bunch of information about some movies I downloaded off the internet. Let's make a search index for it. And then once you make that search index, let's make an API key to talk to it. And then let's build a completely from scratch front end for this application. And then let's run it on this laptop here. So it's already started. It's creating an index from our local data file. You could also pull some data off the internet if you wanted to. It looks like it already made the API key, and now it's building the application, and in the amount of time it took to explain it, it's already completed. Now we have an application. I didn't have to write any code. All I had to do is write this prompt, and we'll go ahead and see if we can spin it up. All right, here's our application. Now we should be able to search for some movies, and yep, we have movies here. You can see how fast the search is.
So in just a couple minutes and a few lines and a prompt, you integrated Searchcraft in Claude, just Claude desktop,
Yep.
not even Claude code, spun up an app and launched an app. So there you have it. So if you want to start spinning up content discovery with Claude, Searchcraft.
Search is no longer a back-end burden. It's your next growth engine. Build faster, spend less, ship more. Join the mission. Redefine discovery with Searchcraft.